welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about why your car does not start and why it doesn't go into reverse after you have pressure washed the engine bay or you hosed it down. So yesterday, I was cleaning the car, sprayed it with foam, took the hose and literally washed the entire engine bay off. And then after I got done washing it, tried to start the car, no start. Eventually, I jumped it, got it started, but it was running really rough. I put it in reverse, it wouldn't budge. Now it is the second day and it is doing the exact same thing. So what you need to do is literally clean all the water out. I just removed one of the distributor cables that goes into the spark plug down there, and as you can see, it is covered in water. And I'm guessing there's water in the spark plug area as well. So what I'm gonna do is remove all of these, clean them, probably put a towel or something in there, clean that out as well, and dry the water out, and hopefully that will fix it. Who knows where the water got in as well. I'm gonna have to check the battery as well, because it was throwing a bad battery sign. I don't know if it was because water got on it, or maybe somehow the water caused the battery to malfunction or break on the inside. So I will definitely keep you guys posted. So first thing, clean all the water out. All right, so I removed those, cleaned them all out, removed the air filter, cleaned it out, removed the battery, charged it up a little bit, cleaned all of these, even removed the ground, cleaned it, removed the other grounds right here, cleaned them all up, and it's still doing the exact same thing. But I did figure out that now when I put the key and I turn it over but I don't start it, the ECM starts ticking and clicking and it sounds like it's turning on or something. Still no reverse, and every time I hit 3 RPM it like misfires or misshifts or something. So if you have this issue before and you solved it, let me know in the comment section what you did and what helps and what should I look for next. I looked at the ECMs online, they're like 300 bucks, but a lot of times you have to program them, you have to take it to the dealership, and I'm trying to avoid that. So I'm trying to do all the little things to see if it gets fixed. So let me know in the comment section below if you have a solution. I was so excited. I thought I could just remove these, clean them out, clean the spark plugs, clean some things up, and it will work, but no luck. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.